Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Nursery. And our today's topic is fill in the blanks with missing Arabic letter. So dear students, now let's see the board. Topic FB. FB means fill in the blanks with missing Arabic letter. Lecture number 5 and SW number also will be 5. And our today's date. So dear students, let's start our today's topic. Before starting, I would like to say that in the previous class you have already learned how to do FB or fill in the blanks with missing Arabic letter, and today's class you can learn how to do Arabic letter twice or for the second time. So this is the fill in the blanks or FB number 2. My dear students, listen to me carefully and look. There are some missing Arabic letter here. In the first row, 1, 2, 3. In the second row, 1, 2, 3. In the third row, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth row, 1, 2, and 3. In the last row, 1 and 2. So let's start. We'll fill in the blanks with missing Arabic letter. The first one is given alif and the third one is ta. So between alif and ta it will be ba. So we will write ba. So this is the answer of the FB. Now ta is given. So after ta, tha comes. So here we will write sa. Now jim is given. So after jim, the letter, which letter come, dear students? Ha will come. So here we will write ha. Now kha is given. After kha, which letter comes? Dal. Dal comes after kha. So here we will write dal. Now zal is given. After zal, normally the ra will come. So here we will write ra. This is the ra. Za is also given. So after za, which letter comes? Sin. Sin comes after za. So here we will write sin. Now shin is given. After shin, which letter comes? Swad. So here we will write swad. Now duad is given, toa is also given. So swad, duad, toa, dash, dash. That means after toa, which two letters come after toa? Zoa, the answer will be zoa and ain. So we'll write here zoa, and in the second gap will be ain. Now ghain is given. So after ghain, which letter comes? Fa. Fa will come after ghain. So here we will write fa. Now qaf is given. After qaf, it is a gap, and here lam is given. So qaf and lam, between qaf and lam, which letter comes? Kaf. The answer will be kaf. So here we will write kaf. Now lam dash. After lam, which letter comes? Mim. Mim will come after lam. So here we will write mim. Now noon is given and dash, and the next letter is ha. Between noon and ha, which letter comes? The answer will be waw. Waw comes between noon and ha. So we will write here waw. Now ha dash ya. Between ha and ya, which letter comes? The answer will be hamza. Hamza comes between ha and ya. So we will write here hamza. So my dear students, I repeat. Alif, the underlined letter will be ba. Ta is given and jim. So in the gap, sa will be written here. Now jim, after jim it will be ha. Kha is given. After kha it will be dal. Zal is given. So after zal, ra will be here. Za is given. So after za, sin will come. Shin is given and dua is also given. So after shin and dua, swad comes between two letters. Between these two letters. Now dua and tua are given, and dash dash. So after tua, two letters come, zua and ain. Now ghain is given, qaf is also given. So between ghain and qaf, fa comes between two letters. Now dash, qaf and lam. Between qaf and lam, kaf will come. After lam, dash, gap is given. So after lam, mim will be written here. Noon is given and ha is also given. Between noon and ha, the waw letter comes between this letter. Now ha and ya, and in the middle, between these two letters, the gap is given. So ha and ya, hamza will be comes between two letters. Dear students, now SW, your SW topic will be same. That means you will write fill in the blanks. In short, you can write FB. So you will write all the letters making a gap. You can also draw a chart or box. It will be better for you. I think all of you understand today's topic. Dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.